So I'm Valentin Vervack from Belgium. I've graduated from university in 2013 in Ghent, and I've started directly in my own private practice with my father and my wife, where I focus on microscopic enhanced restorative dentistry, and at university, where I also work half-time, I focus my research and teachings on restorative direct and indirect procedures. And I also recently got my PhD in 2023. A lot of the LM instruments have very specific goals, and they are made for a specific reason. And if people are not educated in the way to use them, they will try to use them for things that they are not purposed for. For example, at our university as well, there are students using the fissura and breaking it quite fast because they think it's an instrument that you can put some weight on, but that's not really the thing. The other way around, it can be nice to see practitioners who are kind of inventive because they don't know how to use the instrument, and then it can also be interesting to have some new ideas about that. But in general, I think it's really important that we can educate the practitioners to use the instruments for their right use. I have this one patient who had cancer, and then because of the treatment had a very dry mouth, and because of that had a lot of root caries. And root caries is a very, very difficult problem to solve. We need deep rubber dam isolations. We have very narrow spaces that we have to restore. And for that, the use of the very, very fine instruments like the fissura, like the applica, was really nice and really enhanced the success of the restorations. So without these instruments, probably I wouldn't have had the success rate with these patients, and probably extractions of some elements might have been needed. So now this patient, after a very hard time of cancer treatment, he still can enjoy his own teeth, and this is really a valuable thing, I think, to have. LM Dental means to me very high quality products, really reliable products, also good service, just the really high quality instruments. Yeah. I think from a more Central European point of view, everything that's Scandinavian or Nordic already implies that it's gonna be a high quality, that it's maybe a little bit more eco-friendly. And this is, I think, also an image that you carry here when it's made in Finland, for sure. Yeah.